IT Pros, and welcome back to my IT workshop. So in this video I'm going to do a quick review for a speaker, a wireless speaker that I have. As you can see here, I'm showing you the box, and the brand is ALLway, as you can see there. It comes, it comes in three colors, which are red, green and blue. The one I have is red, and obviously it supports Bluetooth 4.0. You can use a micro SD card, which is really cool. If you have your music that way, you can play music, of course, and it has a rechargeable battery. Then some characteristics: it's a Bluetooth speakers. The output power is 3 watts. Not very loud, but you're going to hear it for yourself. The gross weight is 0.177 kilograms, which is around 0.399 pounds. So it's not very heavy. And now we're going to proceed to open the box. So I'm using my scissors there. What I like about this box is that the speaker is very well packed, which means it's not very easy to take out, which can be an advantage or disadvantage depending on the person. And it comes with this bag. So I like that a lot. It comes very protected. And besides that, you can see the manual and the micro USB for charging. I mean, the micro USB cable. So that's kind of standard. I wish these were USB-C, but I mean, that's not a big of a problem. The only thing is very short, but since this is for the outside, most of the time you're going to be charging it from a portable battery maybe. So as you can see here, everything is covered by rubber, which is very important because it's portable. Now I'm doing a size comparison. I'm grabbing a AA battery. You can see, so you can have an idea how big it is or how small it is. So now I'm going to use a GoPro Hero so you can see the difference. It's a little bigger than the GoPro, but this is just for you to have an idea how big this is. And like I was saying, everything is covered in rubber, which I like a lot. Maybe you are going to make it fall, maybe it's going to be bumping again different devices, like if you take it in your, for example, in your backpack. Now you can see the speaker there. Now I like that feeling of the rubber. It makes it look like it is more protected. Now if I open this, you can see the charger for the micro USB and the port for the micro SD, where you can put all your music if you like that way, MP3 and MP4. At least those are the ones I have tested on this device. Then we have the power button. As you can see, we have the plus less volume and the pause and play button as well. So we're going to take a quick glance to the instructions. It's very straightforward. Something I didn't mention is this is not water resistant, so don't put it next to water or inside water or any liquid for that matter. The battery lasts up to 5 hours, so I know that's not a lot like any other wireless products. For example, I did a review for a wireless speaker some time ago. If you're interested, you can click on the top right of this screen, and that one lasted for 12 hours. So this one is only 5, but you have to take into consideration that's very small. So I'm going to turn it on now. You heard the noise, it's on. And what I'm going to do now, using my tablet, because I'm recording with my cell phone, I'm going to connect to this device. And then I'm going to play some YouTube videos for my channel so we can test the sound. Obviously, you can use your cell phone or your tablet, your laptop or something else. So here I'm in settings. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth, and I'm going to see all the devices I have connected in the past. And now I see ALLway at the bottom, so I'm going to click on it. And now it says that it's connected. Now I'm going to go to YouTube, to my channel, my IT workshop, and I'm going to play a review I did some months ago of a wireless speaker, which is the Skullcandy Riff Wireless. If you're interested in that, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Now now it's playing. Let's go back to the speaker to hear how it sounds. You have heard it. That means it's paired with the tablet, and now it's starting to play. It's not very loud, so I'm going to increase the volume. Cord headphones. I'm going to leave the link in the description below if you're curious. They are really good, but I wanted something wireless. So this one has 12 hours battery life, which is really, really good. And if you charge them for around 10 minutes, you're going to have, you can have them working for around 2 hours. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. So we stop it. You have heard the sound, it's very clear. So it's pretty cool. So we're going to continue with the video. I'm going to use this more for my desktop computer. Not much for my cell phone or all that, because I like to use it. I spend a lot of time on my desktop. So here we are. We open the box. And now this one is charged using a micro USB. I wish these were USB-C, but that's not the case, but that's not big of a deal. Then we have the 2-year global warranty. That's pretty cool. Now we are going to check the instructions, which I'm going to show you later. You can see there. And now we're going to check the actual headphones. So we have stopped the video. And as you have noticed, the volume is pretty loud, in my opinion, especially for small places, or if you are in the outside and you are around some people. So it's going to be enough, I think. But it's obviously, it depends what you need. In my opinion, this is going to make a good gift for a friend or for somebody. Something I didn't test because I didn't have a micro SD is if you put a micro SD on these wireless speakers, and it has MP3, MP4 is going to start playing as soon as you turn on the device. So if you want to change it, let's say you say, hey, I don't want to play from the micro SD, I want to pair it with my cell phone, you have to press the pause and play button. So that way you change modes. Another thing that I like a lot, this speaker, as the making of this video, costs less than $20. So that's super affordable. So don't forget, it's not water resistant. It can last up to 5 hours of continuous playing. It has micro USB for charging, and micro SD for any music that you may have in a memory. Then it's very small. It's not very heavy. So that's why I like this device a lot. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video, guys. A small speaker that you can use in the outside. You can give this as a gift. You can take it outside. You can take it in your backpack. So it's very portable. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comments or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And if this is the first time in this channel, look around. Maybe you're going to find a video that is useful to you. So thank you very much again, and I'll see you in the next video.